How do camera lenses work? Today I'm answering this question for you. This is Quick Camera Queries, the series where I answer your tech and camera queries. If you'd like to submit a question, put it down in the comments below. But to get back to today's query, how do camera lenses work? Well, this is a pretty complicated process, just like it is with how cameras work. The short version of it, however, is that the glass in your lens acts a little bit like a human eyeball. Essentially, it just focuses light for something, in the case of a camera sensor, to interpret into an image. The lens has a hole in it where the glass can send the light through. That's called the aperture. And because of how optics work, the image is actually upside down initially, and the camera sensor will eventually flip it around to be right side up. Camera lenses also have different focal lengths though. Now, I'm not an expert on optics, so I can't tell you exactly what determines a certain focal length when it comes to optics. However, how many optics and how they are bent and arranged in a camera lens will determine how zoomed in or zoomed out the image is, as well as how in focus it is. Just like our eyes can focus on things close up or far away, a camera lens does the same thing. The glasses bend the light in a way that our eyes can then see it as correct. The camera lens does the same thing. It just bends and focuses light in a way that a camera sensor can interpret it. Hopefully this helped answer your query. If you would like to submit a question, again, put it in the comments below. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.